My name is Rima Ali. I am the owner of this house. I have contacted KBR to renovate remodel my kitchen, interviewed several companies, and KBR was the one that was very responsive to all the issues that I had. Sana was very responsive and would come the next day. I have a time crunch. I have a lot of work, and so I needed someone that would actually be responsive, and she came the next day. That the kitchen fits with the general look of my house perfectly, and so they did everything that I wanted them to do to make it part of my house. I've already spoke to my neighbors. I am one of 12 homes in this area, and they've asked me if the kitchen finished and if I'm happy, and I said I am. Come and see it, and I recommend the contractor. Sana was very responsive. Every time I asked about something or texted her, even when I was overseas, she would respond to my messages. She would actually caution me against picking something that she did not think was appropriate. And the final product was exactly what I wanted. Thank you.